Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow your followers to add you to group chats on Instagram using the latest update on PC. If you've ever missed out on group conversations or want to stay more connected with your audience, this setting is definitely worth adjusting. The good news is, it only takes a minute to set up. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving on. Once you're on your home screen, look to the bottom left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account preferences. Inside Settings, scroll until you see Messages and Story Replies. Click on it to open more options related to your messaging experience. Now, look for Message Controls and click on that. This section lets you decide who can interact with you through messages and group chats. Here's the important part. Under the option that says Who can add you to group chats, select people you follow or have messaged before. This ensures that only users you're already connected with can include you in group conversations.